Beth Bond with Southeast Green. We're here with Robert Newcomber. Robert is with Lang Legal Group, and he is also the board chair of the Green Chamber of the South. Robert, how do you think the rankings went this morning?
I thought it was an excellent event. Stephanie and Mark have done a phenomenal job in the several years they've been doing this, and it sounds like they are stepping the game up, and next year promises to be even better.
Well, you know, companies and sustainability and green and all that good stuff, as the chair of the Green Chamber of the South, how do you see this ranking helping companies that do the sustainability work?
I think it's a tremendous opportunity for the Green Chamber of the South and Stephanie and Mark and the corporate rankings to help us identify companies that are the leaders in their fields and industries, but also for the Green Chamber to engage with the companies that are lower down the list, trying to improve. It's a wonderful opportunity for the Green Chamber to do what we are trying to do, which is to bring business together across the Southeast.
Great. Thanks, Robert.